Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is to log in to your cPanel. Okay, as you can see, I am already logged into my cPanel here. I'm currently using Namecheap for my cPanel. Okay, if you don't know how to get a cPanel for your website, I will drop I will drop a link inside my description so you can learn how to get your own cPanel. Before you get your cPanel, you need to purchase a domain and hosting account. Okay, now I'm going to drop the link inside my description for you to learn how to get a domain and hosting account. Then you can now get a cPanel that looks like this. All right, so here I'm already logged into my cPanel. So what I'm going to do here, I will scroll down to where I have files. Here underneath I'm going to see file manager. So here I'm going to click on file manager. Now this is my file manager. You can see the list of files inside it. Now go to my public_html and I'll open it. All right, now you can see the directory is empty. So here this is where I'm going to upload the script for the website. So here I'm going to click on upload. Okay, then I will drag and drop my script. I have my script somewhere here. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop the script here. Okay, so I've done that. You can see the script is access.zip. okay, so I'm going to wait for it to load up to 100%. I'm going to wait for it to finish loading. All right, okay, now the upload is complete. So I'm going to go back to my public_html. all right, so here I have my public_html folder here, and inside it you see the zip file that I uploaded. So here what I need to do from here is, okay, I can cancel this so I can get the real file from here. So here I'll need to refresh this. Okay, then scroll down to my public_html. Now here I can see the uploaded file here, which is the access.zip. all right, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, then I'll right click, then I'm going to extract. I'll click on extract file, then I'll click on close. Okay, so this is the extraction file, so I don't need the access.zip again. So I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to click on it, then I'll click on delete. Then it said delete permanent, skip the trash and permanently delete the file. So I'm going to click on it to delete the file permanently. All right, so I have my files ready. So the next thing I need to do is to set up my database. All right, so I'll go back to my cPanel, which is cPanel tools from here. So here I'll scroll down to database. Okay, here you can see database. All right, so here I'm going to click on MySQL database to create my own database. All right, so now you can see create a new database. Now before you create a new database, ensure you write all this information down, or you open up your notepad, then keep all this database and password information. All right, ensure you don't lose it. Okay, so here I'm going to give my own database P2P. all right, so I'll click on create database. So my database name will be P2P. all right, so I'll click on go back. I'll go back. All right, so I will also need to create a user. All right, so database name is P2P, and user, I can create a username to be like exchange. Let me just say exc. Okay, exc. So now the password for my database, I'm going to generate a password. Okay, so this is the password has been okay, no, let me cut this. All right, so for the password, so I'm going to paste. I already have a password saved somewhere here. Okay, hold on, I want to try and save my database name and user name also. Okay, so here I have my password saved already, so I'm going to paste my password. I'm going to paste it again. All right, you can see the password says very strong, okay, which is 100/100. So I'm going to create user. I'll wait for it while it finishes creating. Okay, here you have successfully created a MySQL username, okay, which is my VAYFGL_EXC. All right, so I'm going to click on go back to the database page. All right, so we are still on the database. So here what I'm going to do next is add user to database. Okay, don't forget our user is exc while our database name is p2p. So I'm going to need to add the two of them to each other. Now here you see user database, then it's asking us all the privileges. So I'm going to click on accept. I'm going to accept all privileges, then I'll click on make changes. Okay, so privileges on database have been accepted successfully. So here I'm going to click on tools to go back to my database. All right, to my cPanel rather. So I'm back on my cPanel. So everything is done successfully here. So what we need to do now is to log in to the website. So I'm going to log into the website, which is myvaultlab.com, which is my domain name. Okay, remember I told you before, you can create a website like this, you need a domain name and an hosting account. Okay, I've already done that, and my own domain name is myvaultlab.com. all right, so here I'm going to log into the website to fully set up the website, the script that I'm currently using. Okay, you see myvaultlab.com/install. now you see the terms of use, blah blah blah. Now click on accept, I agree. Okay, now we have some requirement issues. Okay, so before I can successfully install this website, I need to fix this requirement issue. Now number one, you see core/bootstrap and slash this, and is required 0075 permission. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to go back to my cPanel and locate this file here. So here we have, this is my cPanel here. So here we have core. Okay, then I can check again bootstrap, core bootstrap, then this. So here I'll say bootstrap, then I'll open this file. Okay, so here I was told to change the is required 0775 permission. Okay, current permission is 0755, so I need to change 0755 to 0775. So let's go back here. I think it's from core. All right, so I need to go back back here. Yeah, so check, I'm going to right click on check. Catchy, is it catchy or call check? Pardon me if I did not pronounce this well. So here I'm going to right click on this, then I'm going to click on change permission. All right, so it said 775, I guess 775. It's currently on 755, so I will need to click on this. Okay, yes, it is change Now clicking on this here, this place alone has changed it to 775. So I'll click on change permission. So that one is done. So if I should go back to my website here and let's refresh to check if this one is done successfully, you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 queries here to solve. So here I'm going to refresh. Now you see that one is gone. We have 4 left. 1 2 3 4. All right, so the next one is core/storage. Okay, I'm still going to do the same thing, change 0755 to 0775. All right, so I'll go back here, click on back here, then I'll click on I'll go back again so that I can get the core file. Yes, this is a core file. I'll click on it, and what did they ask me to do? Storage, core storage. Okay, so here I'll look for the storage here. The storage is here. Okay, I don't need to click on it. Let me go back. So I'll right click on the storage and say change permission. Then here I'm going to click on write, then change permission. Okay, here again, let me quickly make this installation faster. Here again they said core storage/app. So here I'll just come here, look for app here, then I'll click on no storage. I'll need to open the storage, then look for app here. So I'll right click on the app, then I'll say change permission, and I'll click this 775, and I'll click on change permission. Now we've solved this and this. So now let's look for this core storage/framework. So here I'm going to go back. Okay, yeah, I see core storage. I can see framework here. So this is framework here. So I'm going to right click on it also. I'm going to click on change permission, then I'll click on write, then I'll click change permission. All right, so that one is done also. So now we have core storage/logs. Okay, so this is logs here. I'll right click on it and I'll click on change permission. I'll change it to 775. Okay, so now I think we've solved the 4. Let's refresh and see if we have met the requirement. You see, requirements checked, passed. All right, so here we move on to next step. Okay, so now here on the next step is where we'll fill the information. Remember I told you to save your database details. So here, this is where we are going to input our database details. So here I'm going to input my database name is my va underscore p2p. So here I'm going to paste my database name here. Then the database user, I'm going to paste it also. Mind you, I've saved it somewhere. Okay, remember I told you to save your database details somewhere so that you won't misplace it while making your installation. Then they said database host. Here you just type in local hosts. Okay, type it like this, don't put a space in between, just leave it as local hosts. All right, so here I'll copy this. Okay, the password I'm also going to create paste. I also need to paste the database password. Here is where I'll paste the password. Okay, so the password have been pasted successfully. So here you see admin credential. So now we are going to create a credential for our admin, which is we want to create a username and password so that as the owner of the website, remember an admin is the owner of the website, so you can easily log into the admin dashboard of the website, then make some changes on your own. So here I'm going to create a name for the admin on the website. Here I'll say admin name should be Peter. All right, then the password, so I'm going to paste the password here. All right, I'm done creating the password. Then the email, I'm going to paste the email also. I want the email should be ppmm. Okay, I'm going to paste the email here. So now this is the email I want to use to log into the admin channel. Okay, so after all done, I'm going to click on install now. So I'll wait for it while it's installed. Now you see your system has been installed successfully. All right, so they said go to the website and activate. Now please delete the install folder from the server. All right, now if you check our file, our file from beginning here, let me go back to home and we check public underscore html. Now you see we have a folder called install. Okay, we need to delete this file, but I'm not going to delete this now. I'm going to make sure I finish my installation. So here I've finished the installation, but I still need to activate the installation. All right, so I will say go to the website and activate. All right, so here I'll need to input my purchase code here and enter the username and email. Okay, so here I'm going to paste my purchase code here. Okay, so I've copied the purchase code, so here I'm going to paste the purchase code here. All right, then enter the username. Okay, I'm going to enter the username here. My username should be, all right, so after all done, I'm going to click on I accept the terms and conditions, then click on activate now. Now you see my website has been activated. So now we have the website on myvaultlab.com. Now you can see that is the same thing. All right, it's just that we don't have any sell cryptocurrency yet, and we don't have any buy cryptocurrency yet. So here we still need to do some settings. So this is where we are going to log into the admin of this website to make some settings and to make some changes. Okay, so that is it. All right, so don't forget we need to go back to our cPanel and delete this install folder. All right, so here is it, then right click, then delete, then skip the trash. All right, so here the file has been deleted, so we are safe and we are good to go now.